Okay. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode. I am literally yeah, I'm literally on the verge of showing you the AI system. So this AI called you. I really started the UAI. So it's this repository, github.com/obnexus UAI. No, obnexus Obiai AI. It's meant to be called UAI. I can change it now to UAI with this AI system. So you have the releases of the AI system, and you go to tags. So basically, the releases are tags. You get tags, and the tag you want to use is U model training complete. U agentic model training complete. This is the AI message. But I'm gonna include a new tag. From this tag. But this is the model training. This doesn't work on the reload spectrum. The current here doesn't work. That is needed to work. But this is the training set data complete. So let me show you how to use it. So you run a UAI demo. You run UAI serve. So you get here. So you run UAI serve, and then you go to this, and then you come to CD. So this is the command UAI. Let me just clear this link here. That's my face. Yeah. So you come here, and it says UAI help. And then this is the serve the backend, the rest of the backend UAI serve. So when you serve the AI system, you run the backend, which is restful representation. What does rest stand for? Restful. Wait, represent. Wait, what does rest stand for? Rest stands for something. A REST API. REST meaning API meaning. What is a REST API stand for? Create. Yes, I know that one. Representation state transfer. Yeah. So this AI system here. So when you come to run this REST server, yeah, representation state transfer server, you have to run it, and literally I got 8 minutes on this. Too much videos. So you run UAI serve, and you get a server running, but there's already one running, so you can't run another one. But it's a daemon server, and you gotta run here, and you're gonna start CD web. If you wanna start, you go CD web, which is the front end, and npm run dev. Uh, 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 npm run dev. So this is start a vite host. This is a dev. Here, this is dev. This is a 514. So you just have to use dev server. So I'm gonna go here, cancel this because I'm only running one here. And this is and then when you come here, you run Obiai model reload, and this is the model already serving the latest model, which is the pickle files. The Python pickle files, which are loaded to provide WebSocket to the front end of Python that is trained on the dataset. So let me go here. Let me show you what I mean. So when I come to the browser, I come here. I start a session. Let me just rotate the public. So now it's not clockwise. So I now start a session.
Hi, I am you.
You heard that, guys? Hi, I'm you. Basically, I'm gonna answer a very important question. Let me just predict. Give you a very good question. Uh, can you answer well? I can start with a. Let me just ask you a question. Uh, can you respond well? This is my first prompt, and it takes you time to answer the question. This is the idea. So, can you respond well? And we'll wait for it here. Just go to transcript mode, the caption mode here. It takes some time. So the prompt is already done.
I can respond well to questions about my work and my personal life. I can also respond well to questions about my work and my personal life.
Your personal life. Explain. Explain. Explain how computers work. In layman's terms. So it takes some time. So this is what he said. I can respond well. Uh, this is a good example. This is not good. This is a step too far. I've went a step too far in explaining. Uh, but let's see what the output of this prompt will be because it takes its time. It's gonna take a long time, but it's gonna give a good answer. So just thinking a lot.
Computers are machines that are designed to perform a specific task. Computers are made up of many different components, including a processor, memory, and a display. The processor is the part of the computer that performs the tasks that are assigned to it. The memory is the part of the computer that stores the data that is used by the processor. The display is the part of the computer that displays the information that is stored in the memory. Computers are used in many different ways. Computers are used to perform a wide variety of tasks, including playing games, working on a spreadsheet, and communicating with other people. Compute.
Can't say anymore. Uh, what? I'm gonna ask the question. Look at the image. Look at the video feed. What is on top of my head? Give a specific name of what is on top of my head. So should be able to answer these glasses, sunglasses. You should be able to answer. Should be able to answer. You should be able to answer. Who will fill this one? Let's see what they've passes. But this is the UAI, so it's working. Okay. So this AI model U, ontological Bayesian intelligence. Yeah. Uh, the video feed. So it says here the video feed shows a person with their head on hair. The person is wearing a black hat. A shot of the logo, which is no logo on this set. On the front, the person wearing a pair of pants. Thank you. I would like to know more about the person in the video. What is the person's name? What's the person's job? What's the person's age? Uh, with head on hair. So you didn't really see. Okay, so let me just give it an image now. Pictures, screenshots. Oh wow, this is I'm not naked here, guys. I'm not naked. That's not nakedness. That's not doing this.
I can see what looks like an automobile. 65% confidence.
Okay, so it's failing a lot of these tests.